Hi there guys, welcome back to my little YouTube channel. This is the look we're going to be doing today. It's like a really cute, simple, baddie eyeliner look. Super easy for this spooky season. So if you like how this looks, then make sure that you keep on watching. Now we are going to start off with a nice clean face. And I am going to, of course, do some skincare prep. I'm going to use some toner on my face, make sure I get any extra oil and dirt off. And once I get a nice clean surface, then we are going to go in with the makeup. So I'm going to start off with just some lip balm to hydrate my lips, make sure everything is hydrated. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow primer, just my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to go ahead and put that on each of my eyes and then blend it in with my finger so we have a nice clean base to work with. Now I'm just going to take this very tan and matte eyeshadow, kind of matches my skin tone, and I'm just going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow just so that the main focus is on the eyeliner. So I'm going to be using just some felt tip eyeliner in black, and then I'm going to be lining my eyes and then creating the little bat wing. So what I did is that I just kind of went online and I just typed in bat liner or bat makeup, and then I found some different pictures to look at. So that is what I am doing. So I'm just trying to make sure that my wing looks like a bat wing, and I'm looking at a bunch of pictures for inspiration just to make sure I'm getting the shape well. Once I get my outline shape, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with black, of course, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now, ideally, if you wanted them to be the same, that's okay, but I kind of liked that mine were a little bit different on each side, because kind of gives it a little more of like a more, I don't know, like homemade look, I guess. But anyway, so I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Again, I am looking at some pictures, and then I am going back and forth making sure that I am getting the shape that I want. And then once I get the shape, I'm going to start coloring it in so that it is all nice and black. Now I'm going to take some of this eye pencil and I'm going to line my waterline with this black eye kohl, and just really going to get that on my waterline, as well as now taking a brush and kind of blending that out a little bit so it's not as harsh and it looks a little bit more feathered out. Once I get it nice and blended the way that I want, I'm going to have these really cute little bat stickers that I got from my old store I used to work at, and they're really cute, and then I put a little gem to kind of add a little bit of extra sparkle to it. Now I'm going to go in with this orange highlighter, and I'm going to put it on my inner corner just to kind of add a little bit of shimmer there. And then I'm also going to, once I blend it out, I'm going to make sure I put it on my brow bone as well, just to kind of give it a little bit of sparkle. I did like the way that that looked. And then I'm going to blend it out, of course, so that it's not like just this line of shimmer. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes really, really well with some mascara. And once I do that, then I'm going to make sure to put on some false eyelashes. But I did a coat on like the top part of my lashes, and then I brushed through like the bottom part of my lashes. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once again I'm done with that, I'm going to be adding some false lashes to kind of complete the look. And then honestly, once I put on my false lashes, that is pretty much the completed look. And I thought this was like super quick, like super easy, you know, just a cute little like fun way to have some spooky looking makeup for the best time of the year, which is Halloween time. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you head on down below, hit that big red subscribe button, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. I do want to thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for some more episodes for this year's Meloween. We are going to be doing a lot more spooky makeup looks and some kind of Halloween-y themed content, so please stay on the lookout for those. We're going to be doing definitely some more as the month goes on. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.